The UCM allows you to share complete address books or individual contact groups with other users. You can share contacts between different Gmail and Google Apps accounts and even across domain boundaries. When using the UCM with a personal Google account, you'll only see your Gmail address book. To share the whole address book with other users, simply click on the lock icon on the tab and grant permissions to the users who should be able to access your contacts. You can grant read-only or full access to each individual user. Optionally, you can also send out an email including a personal message to inform the user that you've shared your contacts. Verify the permission settings at any time by clicking on the lock icon on the tab. Let's now log in to a user that received the shared contacts. This user is a Google Apps user. It's possible to share contacts even across domain boundaries. This user already received the notification email. As this user is using Google Apps, he can easily access the UCM from the More menu in Gmail. As a Google Apps user, he'll not only find his personal Gmail contacts, but also the Google Apps address books holding domain users and shared contacts, as well as the contacts we've just shared. As we've granted read-only access to this user, he's neither able to edit nor to delete contacts. He is able to view the contacts and send out emails or copy them to his personal contacts though. The UCM also allows you to share just an individual group instead of the complete tab. If you select a group on the left, a permissions panel will appear on the bottom right, where you can manage the access to this individual contact group. You can add other users in the same way as you already know from sharing a tab. The table in the panel will indicate which users have access to this group. Revoke permissions at any time by clicking on the trash icon. The shared group will immediately show up in the account that we've just added. As we have granted full access, this user is now able to edit or delete the shared contacts in this group. Let's make some changes to the shared contacts. As the UCM changes the contacts directly on the Google servers, the changes will show up in Gmail immediately. Both accounts will stay in perfect sync when working on the shared contacts. Click on the pen icon on the right of the contacts table to see exactly which fields have been modified and who performed the changes. All changes are tracked and can be viewed in the revision history. If you check the Show Revisions checkbox, you'll get the full list of modifications. Select a revision in the list to preview this version of the contact. You can even see which fields have been changed in each revision by clicking on the according pen icon. Thanks for watching.